Thought we'd fall like the setting sun, but Tangat Whenua, don't bend, don't break.
Your greed is done. This is your wake.
You call it progress, we call it theft. Ripping the Whenua till there's nothing left. Your towers rise while our rivers run dry,
But mana flows strong, will never die.
every inch of the land tells a sacred story. You strip it bare, chasing your glory. Privatize the air, cut down the trees.
But Tangata Whenua, bring it to you.
Peace isn't your land, it's not your throne. The Whakapapa says you're here on loan. You dig for gold, you poison the soil,
But the mana burns hot, it will never spoil.
wrath of the land, mana in our veins.
Your greed's a poison.
Your empire's a stain.
Tangata
Whenua, rise from the pain.
We'll tear down your lies, and we'll take back the reins.
They call it free trade, but it's free theft. Taking what's ours, leaving us bereft. Your signatures drip with lies and greed.
The mana's eternal, it plants the seed.
You rewrite the rules, say we're all the same. While the eve we suffer and you shift the blame. You pave our Whenua with broken dreams.
But Tangata Whenua breaks colonials.
Your laws are weapons, your flag's a mask, but the truth of the land will outlast. The time has come, the fight is here.
Feel the wrath of mana you tried to smear.
Katutalana, Keiroto te Whenua. Colonial greed will fade in time.
Wrath of the land, mana in our veins. Your greed's a poison. Your empire's a stain. Tangata Whenua, rise from the pain. We'll tear down your lies, and we'll take back the reins. Wrath of the land, mana in our veins. Your greed's a poison. Your empire's a stain. Tangata Whenua, rise from the pain. We'll tear down your lies, and we'll take back the reins.
We've watched your towers rise and fall. Your greed consumes, but it destroys you all. The mana's unbroken, the Whenua lives. Every treaty you broke, every lie you sold, will crumble beneath the stories of old. The mana's a fire, the land will heal. You call it progress, we call it war, but the fight was lost before it began for sure. For you we rise, the truth burns bright.